Good day everyone, welcome. Wondering how to turn your PrizePicks promo funds into real withdrawable cash? Let us talk about it. So PrizePicks offers promo funds as part of their promotions, such as the $50 bonus when you sign up with a code and place your first $5 lineup. These promo funds are displayed with a gift box icon in your account and can only be used to enter lineups. They can also be withdrawn directly. So in terms of converting the funds, let us talk about that. So you must play through your deposit in promo funds at least once. For example, if you deposit $10 and receive 10 in promo funds, you need to pay 20 worth of lineups. Use your promo funds to enter lineups. If your lineup wins, the winnings are credited as real money to your account. Continue entering and winning lineups until you've met the playthrough requirement. And in terms of withdrawing the funds, once you've met the playthrough requirements and have at least $10 in credit funds, you can navigate to the withdrawal section in your account settings. Choose a withdrawal method you've previously used as to deposit funds, such as a bank account, PayPal, or Venmo, etc. Confirm the withdrawal. New users may experience a review period of 6 to 12 hours for security reasons. And that's how you withdraw your PrizePicks promo money. Play smart, meet the requirements, and enjoy your winnings. For more tips like this, do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.